Ooh, peekaboo. Ooh.
You don't like me? That's okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Oh, yes.
It's time to go to bed. I'm gonna go put you to bed now. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I'm the mommy. Yep. Oh.
Please.
In a chair and what training?
Oh, stop. I train you. You don't train me. Okay?
See you out there, sweetheart. Oh, you see a car?
You can't be doing this early in the morning. You're gonna wake up the neighbors.
Hi. What are you doing? Cleaning dishes, as per usual. Giddy go, giddy go, giddy go, giddy go. How are you? How are you?
Better just say hi to those people.
I know that you're sorry, but my finger hurts really badly and I don't want to have another bite. Right now.
Okay, what?